Welcome to our quick guide on GxP compliance, vital in regulated industries like pharmaceuticals and biotech. First, let's understand GxP. GxP stands for Good Practice and represents a collection of quality guidelines and regulations ensuring safety and efficacy in industries like pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and food. The X in GxP varies to indicate specific areas such as manufacturing, GMP, laboratory, GLP, clinical, GCP, and distribution, GDP. Now, let's talk about electronic records. Regulations like Part 11 and Annex 11 play a key role in maintaining data integrity in our digital world. Integrating cloud computing with GxP compliance is essential. It's all about balancing technological innovation with data security. GxP standards are evolving, embracing technologies like AI and blockchain to stay ahead in ensuring compliance and efficiency. Lastly, GxP compliance is fundamental. It's not just about meeting regulations, it's about patient safety and trust in healthcare. By embracing GxP, we're paving the way for a safer, more reliable future in healthcare and life sciences. Thank you for joining this quick dive into GxP compliance. Stay informed by visiting eLeapsoftware.com, where you can read the full article Ensuring Data Integrity, a comprehensive guide to GxP compliance in regulated industries.